Meaning of ebullience.
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 Ebullience. Ebullience refers to a state of high spirits or enthusiasm. It is characterized by an exuberant and lively energy, often associated with excitement and joy. People who are ebullient can be described as being highly animated and exuding a contagious sense of positivity and optimism. This state of ebullience can be brought about by a variety of factors, including personal achievements, positive social connections, and successful problem solving. Ultimately, the result of ebullience is a heightened sense of well-being, which can help people navigate challenging situations with confidence and resilience.